Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the current price action in gold, US dollar and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is April 6th, Thursday. At 6 p.m. we have high impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, followed by a medium impact news at 7:30 p.m. in Canadian dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now and I've already marked the support zone and also the resistance zone based on the past price action, and also I've used the Fibonacci tools where you can notice that the price action has respected this support level of 0.38% when it retraced back on the bearish side, and also on the bullish side you can notice that it has respected this resistance level of 0.382, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side. And similarly I have taken the other levels also. This is a 0.5% level where we can notice the price action to come near to this level, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side. It is only a retracement, it is not a trend reversal. Once the price action takes support on this support zone, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, we have noticed the price action to trend on a sideways. Then after testing the support level between 1951 to 1935, we have noticed the price action to start trending on the bullish side. It made a, from this level when we see it, it made a higher high, then retraced back, it made a lower low, and again it broke the previous high which was around 2011 and it made a higher high. Now we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. We can expect the price action to continue with its bullish side retracement. For now the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. And also we know from the yesterday's analysis that it is trading within a bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. So we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame in today's price action also. So since the price action is in a very nice bullish trend, wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 2034, based on which you can freshly enter on the bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance is going to be around 2057 to 2073. And once this resistance zone is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2091. And on the bearish side, wait for the price action to break this support zone between 2011 to 1982, and we can expect the bearish side retracement to start because it will be breaking the previous high also, and next level of support is going to be around 1951 and 1935. Let us look at the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is in a bullish trend, but you can notice that the bullishness is getting weaker and weaker. For the hourly time frame, I have drawn a resistance line over here where the price action had respected this resistance line in the past, and I have drawn a support line. So for the hourly time frame, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line in order to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this support line based on which you can enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. As explained in the 4 hours time frame, this whole zone is going to be acting as a very strong support zone from the 4 hours time frame. So we can expect the price action to take support in any of these support levels from the hourly time frame and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement if the bullish trend is still stronger. So if the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side retracement, breaking the support level of 2016, next level of support is going to be around 2004, 1991, 1973 and 1950. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support on the support level of 2016 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, next level of resistance it's going to be around 2032 and 2058. For now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it has tested the resistance line from the hourly time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to be trending on a sideways momentum. We have to wait for the trading volumes to increase in order to take a directional trade in bearish side or on the bullish side in 30 minutes time frame. For now, there is no volume in the price action, so we are noticing a sideways price action to continue. So if the price action gives a breakout from this support line from the hourly time frame, next level of support is going to be around 2010, 2005, 2000, 1995, 1985 and 1982 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support on the support line from the hourly time frame and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 2023, 2031, 2038, 2045 and 2054. For now, the price action is trading on a sideways within this resistance level of 2031 and support level of 2010. Let us look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame, and as I explained in the 30 minutes time frame also, the current price action is consolidating or trading on a sideways momentum within this higher time frame resistance level of 2032 and support level of 2010. And within this rectangle pattern, we are noticing it to trend on the bearish side retracement, and as long as the price action is trading within this resistance line, we can expect a bearish side retracement to continue. Currently, the price action is trading between the support level of 2018, and once this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be around 2015 and 2010. And on the bullish side, the immediate resistance is going to be around 2021. Once this resistance level is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2023, 2027 and 2032. So it is in a range bound price action in 15 minutes time frame, but the overall trend of the price action in the higher time frame is on a bullish side. So wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance level of 2032 in order to enter into long term bullish side trade in 15 minutes time frame also. If you are a scalper, you could be scalping within this higher time frame resistance level and the support level. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.